Okay, everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, guys, I'm going to show you how to make some delicious crispy fried chicken, homemade, a recipe that anybody can do. So, if you're new to the channel, I hope you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. Leave lots of comments down below, and let's get into this video. Some delicious chicken. Okay, I have me some vegetable oil in my deep fryer, heating up to 300 and 375. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is, here I have a mixture of some Zatarain's chicken fry mix. You mix it with some water. It's 5 tablespoons of the Zatarain's chicken fry mix to a half a cup of ice cold water, but I used a whole cup and I used 10 tablespoons. I have pre-seasoned my chicken and allowed it to sit for a minute. I pre-seasoned my chicken with some salt, garlic powder, celery salt, onion powder, some Zatarain's Creole seasoning, some black pepper, and some Old Bay. I also pre-seasoned my flour, and I have it in a bag. It's just some regular flour and the rest of that Zatarain's Creole seasoning mix in the flour. Okay, so you go ahead and you mix the Zatarain mix in the water, and then you get your chicken and you're gonna roll it in the Zatarain's mixture. And then you're gonna take it and you're gonna put your chicken into your flour, okay? So I'm gonna put about 3 pieces into this flour because we want to make sure that we get it coated really, really well, okay? And you shake that excess drip off of your chicken. Okay, I have 3 pieces of chicken in here, and I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take this bag and I'm gonna shake it to make sure that I get my chicken coated really, really well in my Ziploc bag. Okay. Now, you can see that it's coated really well because it's down in there. So go ahead and shake all the excess flour off. Okay? I'm going to lay this to the side. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to batter. Shake it off. And I have a dish over here to the side so you can see that, okay? See the chicken? Okay. So now, let me go ahead and get this 3rd leg out. Shake it off. Lay it to the side. The longer this chicken sits, and the batter will stick to it, and it will make it even more crunchier. Okay? Now I'm gonna finish battering up this chicken, and I'll be back. Okay, everyone, so my oil has heated up. So now I'm gonna get ready to go ahead and start frying my chicken. And when you get ready to fry your chicken, shake all the excess flour off. And we're gonna fry these chicken legs for about 14 to 16 minutes, okay? I have my oil heated up to 350, between 350 and 375. And then the deep fryer that I'm using, I'm probably gonna be able to get in about 3 pieces. This is, well, 4. This is a small deep fryer. You don't want to overcrowd it, okay? So let me go ahead and fry this for 14 to 16 minutes. It's gonna be nice and golden brown. It's gonna be juicy, okay? If you're making cooking chicken breast, you're gonna cook that chicken breast for about 20 minutes. Legs and thighs, 14 minutes. Wings, 10 to 12 minutes. Breast, I'm gonna say it again, 20 minutes. You'll know when your chicken is done. It's gonna sound different and it's gonna start floating to the top. Okay, everyone, so our chicken is down to like the last 2 minutes. I want y'all to see how it's looking. Yeah, you see how it's flown up at the end? It still got to cook a few more minutes, but I want y'all to see it. See how crispy that is? See that? Beautiful. I forgot to say that I did put cornstarch in there, y'all. Okay? So, we got 2 minutes, and then I'm pulling my chicken out, and I'm going to continue to fry the chicken. So, I got my timer on. And when it get down to the time going beep, 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 I'm going to pull my chicken out, okay? That's my grandbaby. Okay, everyone, so now I'm getting ready to take these chicken legs out. Okay? So they are done. You see them floating. Okay? See that? Beautiful, delicious fried chicken. That's right. Beautiful, delicious fried chicken. So I'm going to continue to fry up these legs. And then I'm going to show you the end results of everything, okay? Remember, 14 to 16 minutes on chicken legs. Now, if they don't, on the bigger side, those really are generally used for bacon. But if you are frying them, then it may take you 20 minutes on those, okay? Woo. Seasoned perfect. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to continue to fry this chicken, y'all. And I'll be back once everything is done, okay? Stay tuned. Hold on tight. Don't leave me. Okay, you guys. Here we have it. Our finished results of some crispy homemade fried chicken. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I hope you come try this recipe and come back to my channel. If you didn't know how to fry chicken at home, I hope you guys have learned how to fry chicken today. So, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and remember, this is how you make some delicious, crispy, southern fried chicken. Cooking with TK. Peace. Have a great day.